Hey everyone, how's it going? This is the LearnPress versus LearnDash videos, and we'll be going over some of the basic features to see which one is best for you. Now, both of them are very easy to use and beginner friendly. Now, for integrations and add-ons, they have LearnPress prerequisite course for LearnPress, and then you have forum plugin. You have also offline payment. There's fill in blanks. There's co-instructors add-on, content drip add-on, paid membership pro add-on, and for payment method, you have Stripe, authorize.net to check out things like that. You have Gradebook add-on, random quiz add-on, all these things. For LearnDash, the forum plugins are BBPress, BuddyPress, same as LearnPress, and then there's e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, Easy Digital, and Payment are Stripe, PayPal to check out Samcart, and then membership plugins have membership, paid pro, things like that. You have email marketing if you need that. You also have CRM like Zapier, which is very much easy. Now, LearnPress, it starts free, and the highest price, as you can see, is $299 over here. And then for LearnDash, it starts at $199 per year and it costs $799, which is almost $800 for unlimited amount of websites. Now, you can see the key features are course creator, forum capabilities, LearnPress, a wish list. You also have assignment functionality, certificates, which are premium add-on, and Stripe payment. For LearnDash, you have drag and drop course builder, advanced quizzing, dynamic content delivery, forum capabilities, leaderboards, badges, things like that. Now, some of the pros and cons will be focusing mostly on the cons. The cost is very much high for LearnPress, and that some users have reported, incompatibility with some of the themes. But LearnPress, good thing about it is that it supports WordPress, which means you have unlimited plugins, and WordPress is very much, established. For LearnDash, some of the pros is that you get integration with many third-party tools, which you don't in LearnPress. But some of the cons is that it does not have a free version, it can be expensive, and then it's highly customizable, but you do need some knowledge of CSS, and then it also requires frequent updates. So at the end of the day, it comes down to your budget and also what type of integrations you need. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.